Hello there, my friends, and welcome to this Live Good Products unboxing video. It's Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, sharing with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. What you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be unboxing my Live Good Ultimate Wellness Pack. So if you are health conscious and you're sick and tired of paying ridiculous amounts for your health and wellness products, you want to stick around to the very end because you will be blown away by the value we have here. We have high quality products at low prices. So let me go ahead and share my screen here real quick and show you my order history. So on the 8th of May, 2023, I placed this order, and today is the 25th of May, 2023. So the order came in yesterday. So it's about 2 weeks. I'm here in Ireland. So the order came in from the USA. It cost me $131.54. And this actually includes shipping and customs handling as well, okay? And here is the tracking link here. It should say complete because I have received the product, okay? Now here is the product I ordered. If I go to shop and I scroll down, the product I ordered was this package called Ultimate Wellness Pack. So if I click here to learn more, to give you an idea of what we have here, I have 1 Super Greens, 1 Super Reds, 1 plant-based protein, 1 DK2000, 1 Ultimate Magnesium Complex. And because I'm a member of Livegood, it cost me $99.95. And this is more info on the product. So let's go ahead and unbox these products and show you how what everything looks like and all that good stuff. So here is the product right there. Opening the product, right? Exciting. And we have here the protein. So we have the ultimate, the protein bar, which is plant-based. It has pea protein, hemp, fermented protein, and it actually has amino acids, which are the building block to protein. So it's a good combination, right? It's plant-based protein. So this is something that goes into my smoothies. The other thing I have here is the super greens, and with the super greens, there's so much in it. There's things that if I went to the shop to try and get all these organic things, it would cost me a fortune. Things like aloe vera, moringa, green tea, spirulina, chlorella, and all this good stuff here. So it's great for my smoothie. I put that in my smoothie as well. Make sure my body's getting the nutrients that it needs. Amino acids, this is something that I put a scoop of this in my water, in just 200 mils of water, 8 ounces. And that just keeps me going throughout the day. Instead of having a fizzy drink or anything like that, I put that, and that just, it's absolutely brilliant. Make sure that I'm getting the nutrients that I need in my body, okay? So these products here, I actually ordered them. I've used all 3 of them before, and I'm really happy. That was my first order I placed. Now this here is new. They had ran out for my last order. So Super Red is new to me. So I'm looking forward to that. But just looking here, again, it has all these amazing products: grapeseed extract, pomegranate, spinach, oatgrass, beetroot, alfalfa grass. So many nutrients in there, good for cardiovascular health, sexual health, circulation, brain and cognitive function. So looking forward to trying that. I'll be able to tell you what way I'm going to use it. Like, I'm just unboxing it for the first time. And then here we have 3 other products. So all these here is for 99 cents. All these things here, that's what it came up to, okay? It's absolutely great value for money. So let's see, no, further this way, and then this way, that way. Okay, so what else? We have 3 of these here. So the first one we have here is magnesium complex. So that's just getting your magnesium in there. Multi vitamins for women. So that's just to keep me going. And then DK2. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how I get on. I'll let you know, but it's absolutely great value for, these are high quality products. So I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products for $99.95, and then shipping and handling all the way to Ireland. So yeah, if you're sick and tired of paying ridiculous prices for your health and wellness products, you want to click the link in the description, create a free account. As you can see here, that you can either become a member and pay the member price like I did, or you can pay the retail price of $149, right? Even at $149, you're still getting great value for your money. So you can see here all these products here. So 4 big ones in the middle and 3 small ones, 7 products for $99.99. It's absolutely amazing value. So if you have any questions about how I'm getting on or anything about these products, you can always click the link in the description for my virtual business card. I'm more than happy to sit down with you and answer any questions that you might have. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to actually testing these products out, seeing how I'm getting on with them. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.